B world. Um, this video gonna be about how to connect with people, how to build with people, right? The second part, what I'm talking about is why give people value before you even sell to them. And the third part will be, let's see, what can I say about the third part? How to sell to them. Okay. So the first part is building a relationship with them. Number one, right? Second part is give them value, right? And then the third part is uh, convert them to customers or your business partners, whatever situation, whatever business you are in, right? So let's go. Let's go. Right. The first part of what we're going to talk about is building. When I talk about building, guys, it's not building with your friends and family because they have no interest in your business, guys. You know, most people work 9 to 5, um, you know, 4 to 11, and midnight to 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning type in. So that's not your target market, target audience, guys. Is when you target your family. See, that was the old days when they tell you to write that list up. You know, write all your friends and family names and stuff like that. That's the old days. We don't do that now. So you want to find your target audience to build a relationship with first. You ain't selling them nothing. You understand? You don't even show what you selling to them. You just reaching out to them, say, I see what you do with what I'm doing, you know, trying to make that time, money, and freedom happen. So, I just want to connect with you and see, talk to you a little bit. And that's how you find your target audience, guys. And you just build a relationship with them, right? And then the second part that I will discuss is give them something they can use for whatever business they are in, guys. Like for example, I have training on like free training, guys. I have free training on YouTube. I have free training on Instagram. I have free training on Facebook Lives. I have free training on Snapchat. I have free training on Pinterest. I have free training on what's the last one? Twitter. So I have 6 free trainings to give to someone for free, and that's how they will like and trust me like that because I'm giving them something for free, right? Now the third part is now that's when the sale and the partnership come in play, right? Now this person might be in the same your primary business as you are, guys, right? But to get these tools for their primary business or their other business or business that we are combined together with that we both have, but they don't have another business I have. It's my marketing system. See, it's all about getting leads. That's all it's about. It's about getting leads for your business. And so I would say, you know what? Join my marketing system because you're not part of this marketing system. You have so many lead magnets in your back office that this is how you could generate leads for your primary business. That's all it's about. That's why people spend, Facebook make billions of dollars of people paying them so they can get leads. And how you get leads is from lead magnets. It's and the market system I use have a lot of lead magnets, but I made my own separate pages on all 6 training videos like that. So when you join my marketing system, I'll give you the share codes for that, and it's tight. I put it all together the other day, and so I'm gonna build a relationship by helping them. I'm gonna help them on the second part by showing them how you can get leads for your primary business. What my marketing system does. So that's how you do it. It's 3 steps. You build relationship, number one. That's number one. Second part is you give them some value. And I got 6 training videos on all social media platforms. So I give them that for free. And then they'll ask me, man, how can I, get the same thing? Well, the third part is that's when I do that sales part, right? Join my marketing system with me, and you'll get the share codes that I built for these video structures, so they don't gotta go one by one like that. But you also helping them grow their own business with all this free training, six videos, guys. So that's why you know, a lot of people doing online marketing wrong, because they try to go and pitch a sale to the person like right away. You don't do that. All you have to do is, talk to the person. The first, you might ask them, what is your main struggle to get signups for your business? They'll say, I don't get no leads like that. Well, I got a solution for that. I'm gonna give you some value, some free value. Watch these videos, and this is what you can apply for your business. But also to get leads, the third part, get with my marketing system, and you'll get all this training in your back office of your marketing system. And now you can provide free training to get leads. It's called a lead magnet. All right, guys, real quick video. Just want to share that real quick.